Hi, my name is Rebecca Point. I'm 12 years old and this is my digital story. I love taking photos. One of my favorite times to take photos is when I'm traveling with my mom. I live on the Gaspé Coast with my family and we like doing activities outdoors. My family members are my mom, dad, and my two younger twin sisters, Leah and Sarah. Lydia is a little bit older and taller than Sarah by a few inches and seconds. They can get on my nerves sometimes, but I love them dearly. I enjoy going to school with my friends and family. Most of the kids I go to school with, I've been friends with since pre-K, so we know each other very well. I like going for walks with my friends in our community. We spend a lot of time at the park. I also like taking pictures of nature in our community. This is my dog named Dixie. She's 6 years old. She's a rescue dog. We love her with all our might. This is my neighbor's dog named Tribal. She is 12 years old and also a rescue dog. Tribal comes over to visit us all the time and my dad gives her treats. One of my favorite things to do is to go to the park in the summer. On this trip, our Aunt Julie and her son Logan came with us. On the Gaspé Coast, we get lots of snow. So one of my favorite activities is to go snowshoeing with my family. Here we all are at Nova Lumina. On the Gaspé Coast, we don't have a lot of indoor activities, so we make the most of outdoors in our small town. Thank you for watching my digital story.